Why don't seniors in the walking group ever play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you've left your walking stick at the scene. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on walking groups for seniors near me. Tip 1. Find a nearby group. The first step is to locate walking groups for seniors within easy reach. There are often community centres, religious organisations or fitness facilities that host such groups. Local newspapers, bulletins, online search, or simply word of mouth may help you find one close to you. Convenience is key at this stage. The closer the group, the better, as travel distances can prove to be a discouragement over time. Tip 2. Assessing the group's pace. Not all walking groups are the same. Some may be quite brisk, others may be more leisurely. It's crucial to find a group that suits your own walking speed. You can ask the organizer for idea of pace, or even watch a session to make your judgment. Tip 3. Size of the group. The size may also influence your experience. Some seniors may prefer larger groups for their diversity and opportunity to make more friends, while others may find smaller, intimate groups more comfortable. Attend a few sessions to make an informed decision on what works best for you. Tip 4. Structure and routine of the group. Different walking groups may have different routines and structure. Some may strictly stick to walking, others may incorporate mild exercises, stretching or social activities. Find out what a typical session looks like and decide if it suits you. Tip 5. Safety measures. Safety comes first. Ensure that the walking group you join has measures in place for emergencies. A group which walks in safe, well-maintained areas and has a first aid savvy leader or a contact system in case of emergencies is preferable. Tip 6. Group time. Depending on your daily routine and preferences, the time the group meets is an important factor to consider. If you are an early bird, morning groups can be great, while afternoon or evening groups may suit those who are not morning people. Tip 7. Try out the group. Most walking groups offer first-time free trials. Make use of this opportunity to make sure that the group is a good fit for your needs and comfort level. Tip 8. Be open to making friends. One of the benefits of a walking group is the social aspect. Be open to meeting and mingling with the other group members, as this can make your walking experience much more enjoyable. Tip 9. Wear appropriate gear. Once you've chosen a group, make sure to equip yourself with the appropriate gear. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, along with clothing suitable for the weather. Tip 10. Stay hydrated. Always carry a water bottle with you to stay hydrated, particularly during warmer weather. Also, many walking groups for seniors recommend bringing a small snack, like a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Tip 11. Listen to your body. Finally, remember to walk at a pace comfortable to you. Do not push yourself to keep up with others if it is causing discomfort. Walking should be enjoyable and healthy. Listen to your body and only do as much as you are able to without strain. Remember, the goal is not just to maintain physical fitness, but also to enjoy the process, so it's important to find a walking group that is fulfilling both these aspects.